Hello, children. We will teach you the steps for our dance, Waiting for the King, one by one. Okay, the very first step is you turn around, watch Teacher Hannah, like that. Okay, and then the music will play. And then you jump. When I say jump, that means you turn and face the audience. There. And then you make your own dance. Teacher Hannah will try to do that. You can make your own. See? You can also do it like this, the one that you showed us last time. And then when the line goes, the angel said to Mary. That's the angel step. So you just put your hands together. It's like you're praying. Okay? And then make sure to smile because this is good news for everyone. The angel said to Mary, and then put your two pointers out like this. And then you point down because you know what? In the story that we shared with you, Mary was like sitting down on the ground or on the floor. So again, you let it go up and then point down. You are the chosen one. And then we're going to do the cradle. It's the special child. Now, the cradle, one hand first, and then the other hand goes under, and then you move from right to left, right to left. Okay, that's the part, God's one and only Son. And then you stop. And then you open your arms. When the line goes, He's gonna be the light. That means it's like making a light and you shake. Teacher Hannah will show you. Open and then shake. Okay, and then the line goes leading you and me. So you point front and then you point to yourself because you're me. And then you're gonna turn with your hands pointing to you. Turn, 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 turn. When you face front, you have to do the cute face. Make a very, very nice smile. There. Put your hands on like this, huh? The tips of your fingers will be like touching each other. Put it under your chin and then you smile. Your cutest face. You can go like that. And then we're going to go wait for the king. Waiting for the king. Make sure that you put also your hands together like this. Okay, this is what we call fold. Okay, fold. And then shake or move your head up and down first, and then your foot will go up and down too, like tap, 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 tap. Oh, can you see Teacher Hannah over there? There, there. Waiting for the king. And then you're gonna push with your right hand. All the world, one, and then to the left, and then front, another front, and put your two hands near your mouth. It's like you're gonna sing to everybody. All the world is gonna sing. There, and then we're gonna make a heart. Right hand first, left hand next. See the heart there? You have to form your heart like that. Okay, can you see the heart? There. Oh, and then you let it move to the right and to the left, to the right and to the left. And then do another fold, but facing this way. Okay, fold this way. There. And then head, head, and then foot. Look at the foot of Teacher Hannah. Tap, 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 tap. And then you know what? There will be music there. Now we're going to do a step that you showed us the other day, and you're gonna go elbow. Watch Teacher Hannah do the elbow. Out, 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 out. You will do it as many as you can until you hear the music, and then you stop. Because you're gonna do the angel said to Joseph. It's the angel now talking to Joseph. So you do your angel again. Okay? And then this time the angel said to Joseph, don't worry about a thing. So you're going to do a no sound. It's like no sign, I mean. Don't worry about the thing. And then we point up because this holy child, we speak off. You let your hand go down, and then you put your other hand together, and then it's like you're offering. You kneel. It's like the wise men, remember when they gave their gifts? They knelt before Jesus and they gave their gifts. Okay? That's offer. Now, when you go from there, you're gonna make a cross. So you just open your hand, put it out like that, and like make a cross. And then you point again. Born for you and me. And then we're gonna turn. The hope we're longing for. Just you wait. What are you gonna do? The cute face. And see. And then fold your hands again, waiting for the king. And then you push. All the world is gonna sing about the love. Make your heart will bring. Fold to the other side. We're waiting for, don't forget your foot, the king. Very good. And then we're gonna do the astro. Okay, this is, I think, Kidlat's step. Okay, you just move your head forward like that, hands at the back, make it straight, and you have to run really fast. Okay, look, teacher Hannah is running fast. Ah! And then when the word goes to king, you have to stop. And then you have to do, this is Mia's idea, the floss. Do you know the floss? You go like this, like that. Teacher Hannah, can you do the floss for us? That's the floss. Good job. And then we will do another astro, but facing the other side. About the love this child will bring. Stop and floss again. We're waiting for the king. Now from there, children, we're going to go another waiting for the king. But this time you have to jump front and then do the airplane. See? Again, teacher Hannah. From the side, do the floss, 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 and then airplane. Whoops. Okay, and then fold, I mean meet, up, and then other side. Okay, look, other side. Two folds also. And then after that, you're gonna do all the world is gonna sing. Look, teacher Hannah made like a choir. So one hand first, the other hand goes there, and then you just hold on to each other, and then you move right and left, right and left, and then you stop. And then you make your love or the heart. Actually, this should be the love. Love, love one by one. And then you open and then you make it like shh, move like that, your fingers. Okay? When it goes down there, you're gonna march. Watch teacher Hannah march. We're waiting for when we reach the word king, you're gonna turn. March again, waiting for the turn, the king. And then we're gonna pretend we're waiting. It's like waiting for, you're looking at your watch. Okay? So one, two taps, and then you're also waiting. Put your hand under your chin here, there, actually near the cheek, and then wait again. Two counts again there, and then tap your foot. Tap, tap, and then face front. Put your hand here on the forehead, and then you just look, where is Jesus? And then you saw him, and then you make a surprise face. Surprise! You can go like that, or you can go clasp your hand. Okay? Make sure you have a surprise face. Can you show us your surprise faces? Ready? Surprise! There. And then we take a bow. One, two, you stay there, and then one, 2, 3, take a bow. Good job. Okay, now you can practice with mom and dad.